In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Sharpe to calculate the reliability of a system. So firstly, we will go to the C drive and choose Sharpe GUI like this, and then click. Choose Interface Sharpe. Here the tool is opened and we have to make a new project. So we will choose File, New. Here we will set the name of the project, for example, Test. We will describe our states of our system using Markov models. So here we will choose Markov chain and we will call the name of the model, for example, M. Then OK. Here, this all of the tabs that we will use it for our project. The first one is the node that will use it to describe the states in which our system. So here we will choose node. This is our first state. We will make a system composed of two states only. The first one is up. We name it. Then we will click validate. And the other state is down. We will rename it also by clicking right click and then it will pops up. Here we will write down. Then click validate. Then we will choose the other tab of the arc to make the transition between the two states like this. And then we will call the transition. We know that the transition from the up state to down states is our failure rate. We will call it lambda. Then OK. Here we want to make our analysis for our system. So here we will choose analysis editor like this, analysis. Then the metric that we want to calculate is the reliability. So from here, from this list of outputs, we will choose probability. And here in this system, we have only two states. Our initial probability of our first state should be 1. So here we have two states. The up state is the state that the system begins with it. So we will call it 1 here, our initial probability, then click validate. And the other one, which is our down state, will be 0. Here we will call our configuration M1, then click validate configuration. So here our configuration is saved and we can use it another time. Then click close. Here we will put our range of calculating the reliability and here the value of the lambda. We will make our lambda value is 0.1 per month. This is our failure rate of our system. And here we will make the range like our stored value is 0. Then our stop value is 12 months. It's like a year. And the increment is 1. Then click add and run. Here is the values throughout the months. So here when t equals 0, it's the beginning of the system of working and the system state or reliability is 100%. But as we go month by month, by having a failure rate of 0.1 per month, the reliability is decreasing until it goes to like a 30% here after a 1 year. If we want to demonstrate these values using a graph, so we will tap here graph, and here we will write the name of the graph, reliability. Here we will choose the x-axis, which is t, the time. We can write here time, and the y-axis legend will be reliability. And the lambda value is 0.1 per month. Take care that here or on calculating the reliability from the output tab, that we didn't make a unit for the lambda or a unit for the reliability. So keep in mind the unit and calculate your reliability based on it. So here we have 0.1, which is 0.1 per month. This is the failure rate of our system. So here we will write the start value as a 0 and stop value as 12, which indicates like a 12 months, a 1 year, and the increment value is 1. Then click plot. So as you see here, the graph of reliability, as we know it, is drawn. The system began with a 1, which is the 100% reliability value, and is decrementing throughout the time, like here. This how to calculate the reliability. But if we want to calculate the availability or the steady state availability, we can here make a small change in our system, that we make like a repair arc here from the down state to the up state. So we will draw like here, and we will make a U, which will represent our repair rate, and click save. So here we have to save our model in a place that we know. We can go to the C, for example, C, and in the Sharpe folder we can make like creating a new folder here. And here save our file, we will call it test. Don't miss to write the extension .rgl to be saved. Then click save. So now our model is saved like this, and then to calculate the steady state availability, we should click here analysis editor, analysis, and then the reliability, we will delete it, and here we will choose the steady state availability here. Then we will choose the up state that we have only one state is up, which is call it up, then add it here, and make the name of the configuration, we will call it M2, then click validate, close, and then we will put the values of lambda and mu, the repair rate. So lambda we will put 0.1, 0.1 per month, and here the repair rate is 1 per month. The values that you will put it here, you will put it based on the values of the system that you are working on. This is just an example. So here we will make add and then 1. So here the steady state availability value is like a 90.9%. That's it. And if you have any question, you can send me on my email. Thanks.